Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and staying at your home. In the last session, we have started exercise 4D and we were solving the questions, but it is not completed. So today we have to complete exercise 4D. Okay? Come to page number 33. Okay. Now, the first line 7 plus 2, it is 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 4, 8. And it is 7. So answer is 7, 8, 9, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 2, 8. And it is 9. So 9, 8, 5, 7. Here 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 0, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. So answer is 8, 9, 7, 8. Like this you will do this part and this line also. Okay? All the questions are similar to each other. Now come to this part. See, 2, 2, 1. So it is 5. 3, 0, 6. Here it will become 9. 5 plus 4, 9. And here it is 7. So 7, 9, 9, 5. Now come to this part. 2, 4, 0, 2. Here it will become 8. 3, 3, 0, 1. Here it will become 7. 3, 0, 2, 3. Here it will become 8. 2, 3, 1, 1. Here it will become 7. So answer is 7, 8, 7, 8. Now come to these questions. Do these sums in your notebook. These questions you have to do in your copy. Okay. Now come to the first part. How to solve these questions. You have to arrange these questions in column and then you have to solve. 5, 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, 4, 0 plus 3, 6, 7, 6. Okay? 3 plus 0, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 1, 6. Like this, we do this question. Okay? Now come to this part. Okay. See. This part. 2, 3, 5, 4. 2, 3, 5, 4. 3, 1, 3, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1. 1, 1, 0, 4. 1, 1, 0, 4. It is 1. 2, 3, 1, 0. 2, 3, 1, 0. Add. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 0. So it is 9. 5 and 3, 8. And 1, 9. Here it is 9. 3 and 1, 4. 4 and 1, 5 and 3, 8. 3 or 2 and 3, 5. 1, 6. Plus 2, 8. So answer is 8, 8, 9, 9. Like this, we do these questions and these questions. Okay? Now move to next page. Word problems are there. First question has already been solved in your book. Okay? Now come to second part. For the first show of a circus, 473 tickets were sold. For the second show, 525 tickets were sold. What was the total number of tickets sold? So what you have to do? 4, 7, 3, 5, 2, 5 plus 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 5, 9. So what you have to do? You will write total number of tickets sold equals to, you have to write down this 998. Okay? Now this is 9. Now move to next question. A cobbler mended 23 shoes on Monday, 34 shoes on Tuesday, and 22 shoes on Wednesday. How many shoes did he mend in all? So what you have to do, you will write down Monday equals to 23, Tuesday equals to 34 and Wednesday equals to 22. Now add it. 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. So answer is 79. Total number of shoes equals to 79. Okay. Now move to next question. Meenakshi is 7 years old. Her brother is 11-year-old. Their mother's age is 21 years more than the sum of their ages. How old is the mother? Okay, so you have to add the ages of all the three persons and then you will get the age of the mother. Okay, so 21, 11 and 7 plus 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9 and 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 39. The age of the mother is, what you have to do, their mother age is 39 years. Okay, now come to next part of the question exercise. See, these questions you have to do in your notebook. Okay, in a school the girls planted 232 saplings. The boys planted 156 more saplings than the girls did. How many saplings did the boy plant? So what you have to do, you have to write down 232 and then 156 and add 6 plus 2 8, 5 and 3 8, 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 338. The saplings boy plant equals to 338. Okay, now next question. Mr. Ganeshan bought 400 blue bulbs, 260 red bulbs and 125 yellow bulbs on Diwali. How many bulbs did he buy all together? So what you have to do, you have to write down blue bulbs equals to 400, red bulbs equals to 260 and yellow bulbs equals to 125. So add it. 5, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So total number of bulbs are 785. Okay, now come to next question. A milk van was carrying 4,235 packets of toned milk, 1,260 packets of flavored milk. How many packets was it carrying altogether? So again, you will write toned milk equals to 4235. You will write flavored milk equals to 1260. Add 5, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So answer is 5495. Okay, so total number of packets was 5495. Now next part. A flower seller or a florist bought 1240 pink roses, 1135 yellow roses and 1510 white roses. How many roses did he buy in all? Okay, so pink roses, yellow roses and white roses. Add these three numbers and then you will get the answer. Okay, like this you have to complete these word problems in your copy. Okay, thank you.